Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm going to show you how to transfer all of your assets from Robinhood to Fidelity. If you want to know why I'm transferring, see my last video. Robinhood support gives you some guidance, but does not give you all of the steps. Firstly, you need to resolve all of your affairs with Robinhood. This includes options and instant deposits. If you start a transfer request from Fidelity to Robinhood while you still have pending deposits and all that shit, when Fidelity sends the request to Robinhood and Robinhood sees that, Robinhood is going to reject that transfer. Fidelity will send another request in a few days, but now the process is already delayed. That's what happened to me. The next thing to watch out for, make sure you don't need to do anything with your assets or cash for about a week or a week and a half, because once the transfer process starts and Robinhood accepts it, Robinhood will freeze your account. So make sure you have nothing to do or nothing you need to do for about a week or a week and a half. Also, you need to download a recent Robinhood securities PDF statement. Fidelity is going to use that to facilitate the transfer. If you don't do that, it's going to delay the transfer. Lastly, make sure you have at least $75 in your Robinhood cash account before you start the transfer. The transfer fee is $75. I've heard that Fidelity will waive the fee if you have 25K in assets or more. I don't have that, so I have no idea. I have no way of verifying that. The first step is to open a Fidelity account. If you're just not opening your account, towards the very end, Fidelity will ask you how you want to transfer assets to your account. At that point, you can just select to transfer assets to another bank. I don't have that slide since I already did it. Now, if your account is already open, just go to Accounts and Trade and select Transfer. Where it asks how would you like to move your money, select into your Fidelity account. Then select Learn about transferring assets. Where it says transfer assets to Fidelity, select start a transfer. Start typing in Robinhood and it should auto suggest Robinhood Securities LLC. Enter your Robinhood account number and select individual as your account type. Now I don't have slides for the next few steps since I already did it, but next you're going to want to upload your Robinhood statement PDF into Fidelity. It'll then ask you whether you want to transfer some stocks or all stocks. Obviously select all stocks. This would include the cash in your account. And I think after that, it asks me to verify everything and then submit. Now, if everything goes smoothly, Robinhood should send you an email either that day or the next day saying that your ACATS transfer is started and that they'll miss you as a customer and blah blah blah, who cares, right? And at this point, Robinhood will freeze your account. So hopefully you got nothing to do with it for the next week or week and a half. And check on the status of your transfer at any time by going to Accounts and Trade, then Transfer, then check the status of your transfer of assets. Click the link under Check Status to get a log of the transfer process itself. Once Robinhood finally responds to Fidelity, you'll be able to see a log of the assets being transferred there. You can also see the $75 being taken out by Robinhood. And at that point, all you have to do is sit back and wait. Just keep waiting and keep watching that space. Over time, you will see the assets being filled and the positions opening up in your account portfolio. If you have a problem or a question, always pick up a phone and talk to someone Fidelity, a real human, within minutes. Next week, I'll show you a first-timer's review of Fidelity. I hope this was informative for you and I'd like to thank you for watching. And eat your vegetables.